Yeah, baby. Let me take you over here to the other side.
I think you're gonna have to be gentle.
Hey y'all, hey. How you doing? How your mama know? Alright. So yes, I'm coming to give you all a review of this hair. And yo, do you see it? Do you see the material? It looks good, don't it? Looks like mine, don't it? I know. This is from Frodio. Y'all already know. They sent that last beautiful Donna Summer unit. They sent me that to review. But as I was scrolling on TikTok late night as I do, I saw this come across my timeline. And I had to go ahead and hit that TikTok shop up. That TikTok shop be getting my coins every other month, I swear. But this, it was definitely worth it. This is a 20-inch Veralux blend human hair 3-in-1 half wig, and it's in kinky curly, and again it's in 20 inches. So this is a half wig. So right up here at the perimeter is my real hair. Yes, and as you can see, my type 4 kinky curly hair blends in, and I am natural. You can't even see where, you probably can, but for me, and I'm gonna say, you can't even see where my hair ends and where the wig begins. I love wigs like that. I love wigs that have the actual kinky curly. If they claim that they're kinky curly, I love wigs that are actually kinky curly. And this wig is actually kinky curly. It does come compressed when you pull it out of the box. I am gonna show you guys like a little slim little video of me trying it on. It's not an actual video like this, but it is a video that I do have of me trying on the wig that I'm going to insert into this video. And all you have to do is just take your fingers and just fluff it out. And I know that this wig can get bigger because I saw it on TikTok. There was a girl, can't even think, beautiful girl, she fluffed this wig out, and when I say it was, yeah, it was out to here, it was out to here. So you can fluff this wig out and make it much bigger than what it is, but this right here is a comfortable, you know, it's a comfortable judge for me. So I like this wig like this. But will I fluff it out bigger? Of course, because y'all know I love big hair. I have a big head. Big on big on big everything. I like big everything. So fluffing it out bigger, it don't bother me. And this is true to 20 inches, because I know sometimes you get curly hair and it looks like it's a little shorter. No, this is true to 20 inches. And y'all, do you see the material that Frodio has given us? Like, if I could give this, because y'all know I love giving my wigs, you know, comparing them to beautiful African American divas, I'm going to have to go ahead and say this is giving Diana Ross. Yes, the other one was giving Donna Summer. This is giving Diana Ross, baby. Diana Ross. And you know, curly hair, perfect for the summertime because you don't have to worry about putting heat on your own natural hair. All you have to do is do what I did. I did a little flat twist just across, and I undid that flat twist, and as you can see, my hair blended right in with this unit, and it does this when I put it to the side, and I like that as well. Like, you could do so much with half wigs. Like, I can go like this and kind of do it to the middle, so it's like, you know, everything is out my face. There's so many things that you could do with a half wig. You could braid your hair in the front and then put the half wig in the back. Again, the things are endless that you could do with a half wig. And I actually think I like how I just did that. Y'all see how I just flipped that and reversed it and gave another hairstyle just that quick? We love that. We love that. Again, this is a TikTok shop, you know, purchase. I'm pretty sure Frodio has an actual standalone website that you could purchase it from, but TikTok shop, you could do your little reviews and stuff on there and get points or whatever. But again, we're talking about the hair. We want the hair, and I like how that just looked like that. Like this is giving me natural bohemian. Yeah, And I forgot to tell you guys that the wig did come with some goodies, which are standard goodies that the last wig from Frodio came with. It comes with a wig cap, a claw clip. This clip isn't as big as the last clip, but it's still a claw clip. I'm still gonna use it. It's still gonna be, put to good use. It comes with 2 scrunchies, 2 of them, and then it comes with the edge brush. And I needed another edge brush because I don't know what happened to my other one. This little part came out, and that was an edge brush that I bought myself. So this little part came out. So the fact that this came with an edge brush, I really like that fact. So y'all know, after I show you guys how I put the wig on and everything, I come in and I give you what is it Danny approved. It is because I only have this much of my hair out. Like, a pinch of my hair is out, as you can see. Like, a pinch of my hair, so little of my hair is left out, and it blends so seamlessly with this unit. And again, it's big, it's soft, it came with no smell. This wig has no smell. And even though it's a human hair blend, y'all, it does feel like human hair. Have I wet the wig? No. Will I wet the wig? No. Just because it is human hair mix, I'm not gonna wet it. I don't want to see that because it's giving the curls that it needs to give. Will I comb this out? No. You don't need to comb it out. All you need is just your little finger detangle. And I wear long nails, so it kind of feels like I'm raking through with a rake comb anyway with my long nails. So do I need to use a comb? No. This matches my kinky curly 4C hair perfectly. If I was to do a twist out with small twists, this is what my hair would look like. So I love the fact that it is true to the fact that it is if it's advertised for kinky curly, I expect it to be kinky curly. This is giving kinky curly. Love this unit. And the fact that I only had to leave out so little of my hair, perfect protective style. And again, I told y'all one day when I was coming home from work, I had a wig that I had tacked down using that Kiss spray, and I forgot. I got a little too happy, and it was hot, and I was ready for that wig to come off. I snatched that wig off, and I snatched some edges with it. I'm loving the fact that I can have hairstyles where I can leave my edges out so that I can put my little sacred edge drops on. So I love the fact that I'm able to leave just this little bit of hair out, and it's just so natural looking, you guys. Like, look, like, come on. This is perfect summer hair. I feel like curly hair plus warmer months just go together so well, because again, you don't have to worry about heat damage. So this unit is perfect for the summertime, perfect for vacation. Frodio, you have done it again. Like, so affordable. And I have my iPad right here, and I want to tell y'all exactly how much I paid for it, because it was, again, I paid for this using my own coins, and y'all, altogether, this was $40.11. $40.11. And let me see if it's, because they always had a little coupon codes and things that you can use. Like right now, it's on sale for $44.60 on the TikTok shop. But again, TikTok always has those little coupon codes, so there's a possibility that you can even get it. You can get it cheaper for even what I got it for, and I got it for $40.11, and it's regularly priced. So come on, 20 inches. Currently on sale for $44.60 right now. And then the little coupon codes that come. Come on, stop playing. Stop playing with Frodio. Go get you one of these. Tell him I sent you. Tell him I sent you, and tell him to come watch my video. All right. Thank you all for coming through and watching my video. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. All right, you guys. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'm on YouTube, and go get you one of these wigs for the summertime for your vacation. So while you on the island, you can be sitting there looking like you from the islands. Okay? Okay. Bye.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite.